Hi everyone, I'm Gil Morgan and welcome to the OncoAlert Faculty Top 3 Trials out of ESMO 25. My pick, prostate cancer. Now let's jump right into my picks. The first standout is the Phase 3 EMBARK Trial looking at Enzalutamide plus Leuprolide in men with high-risk biochemical recurrent prostate cancer. Results were impressive. The combination reduced the risk of death by over 40% compared to Leuprolide alone. It also delayed disease progression across multiple measures, from time to new therapy to skeletal events and progression-free survival on subsequent treatments. Enzalutamide monotherapy showed a trend toward benefit, but didn't hit statistical significance. The safety profile? Consistent with what we know and we have seen before. The take-home message? Enzalutamide plus Leuprolide significantly improves overall survival. Next, the Capivasertib trial, another Phase 3 study, this time testing Capivasertib, an AKT inhibitor, combined with abiraterone, an ADT, in PTEN-deficient metastatic hormone-sensitive prostate cancer. This regimen extended radiographic progression-free survival to 33.2 months versus 25.7 months with abiraterone alone. That's a meaningful benefit, especially in patients with higher levels of PTEN loss. Toxicities were as expected, mostly diarrhea, hyperglycemia, and rash. The take-home message, dual AKT and androgen receptor inhibition offers a promising effective approach for PTEN-deficient metastatic hormone-sensitive prostate cancer. And finally, the PETRANHA trial, which evaluated Saruparib, a PARP1 selective inhibitor, combined with AR-targeted therapy in metastatic castration-sensitive and ARPI-naive castration-resistant prostate cancer. The combo showed strong PSA responses and objective tumor shrinkage, even in patients with HRR mutations. Safety looked encouraging, with low discontinuation rates due to side effects. The take-home message is Saruparib plus AR-targeted therapy appears safe and active across multiple settings, supporting ongoing Phase 3 evaluation in EVOPAR-01. So there you have it, folks, my pick of the top 3 prostate trials out of Berlin, EMBARK, Capivasertib and PETRANHA, each advancing the field and each redefining how we approach precision therapy in prostate cancer. I'm Gil Morgan. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more OncoAlert Faculty Top 3 trials from across oncology.